So let's just do a little recap of what's been going on to get you guys caught up. I was still working. A lot of flights were being canceled, but I was still working at the time. And I was introduced to Zoom happy hours or virtual happy hours. That was when quarantine was just starting to kick off a little bit. So that was pretty interesting.
And I've spent on so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me.
All of my flights for that month were canceled. I didn't work at all that month. I stayed home. So when quarantine was like legit real. And you know what I did? My roommate and I, we turned the apartment into the lockdown lounge.
Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lands that's down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with his brain color.
It was a lifestyle at that point. Yeah, yesterday was Cinco de Mayo, and I kind of had a gig. So there was an event here in Chicago where there was a club, wasn't open to the public, but they were doing drink demonstrations on Instagram Live. People were able to pick up tacos to take home. So every time a person would come pick up their tacos, we would send out the like bottle girls with the food. So it was like a VIP food pickup experience. So that's what I did yesterday, and it was less than 10 people there. We all had our mask, and it was cool. And I got some free food out of the deal, so thank you. Tonight I'm actually getting ready to do a graduation / birthday party on Zoom, DJing of course. So that's what I'm gonna get into tonight. So I'm just getting ready to set up. Like I have about 15 minutes before it begins, so I need to go ahead and get my area situated. Today is day 3 of a 6-day block. Of course, nobody called me today, but what I did end up doing today, a friend of mine just bought some property, and she wanted me to take some photos and videos of that. So that's what I did. So that was like my one thing I did today that was productive. But the stuff I just been like buying or just like picking up and putting in the crib, things, most of these things I don't need, but it happened. So let me just show y'all. We got these, yes, these plush sneakers. I love them. Wear them around the house. They comfortable. Thug life. If you don't know who Lori Lightfoot is, you're gonna know today. So in Chicago, it's a joke to place these around the city, just to give folks a friendly reminder to stay home. And I've been staying home, right, Lori? It's just been me and you. Boom. A projector Yes, a projector. This is cool. I don't have a TV in my room, but like I set this up in my room. Whenever I feel like watching something on a big screen. I've been watching a bunch of concerts actually with this concert vibes that feel like I'm really there. Boom, this. It's pretty simple. Look at it, look at it, look at it. It is just a cell phone holder because when we went on lockdown, everybody was on Instagram, going live all the time, and I got tired. I got tired of having to hold my phone. And you know what? No, I don't hold my phone. This holds my phone. Holding my phone like a peasant? I don't think so. The world was in complete shambles, pretty much on top of the pandemic, race riots. I know here in Chicago there was a ton of looting done, and I didn't do much for June. July was honestly a blur. I really don't remember. The only thing I remember was my birthday. That was about it. Great month. It all came together. It's August, we're back. Actually the last week in July, I celebrated a birthday. Yay, happy birthday to me, which was last week. I still got balloons over there in the corner. You probably can't see it because it's dark in my room. I'm on reserve. And they just called me to sit couch tomorrow. I gotta sit couch tomorrow morning, so I'm not excited about that. Good morning. I don't want to be too loud, but I'm getting ready to go to the airport. It's currently 3:45 a.m. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm not used to this, but fingers crossed they don't do anything with me today. So currently at the airport, I'm about an hour and a half into my sit, and I did not feel like sitting in the crew room, so I decided to walk around the airport and get some steps in. It's a few days later, and I'm still walking. I didn't turn my camera back on after I got off the couch. I'm sorry I'm out of breath. I've been trucking around today, but I got released from couch. I didn't get called at all for the rest of that reserve period. Because right now I'm out walking. I make sure I get my steps in, get to moving around. Since I'm not really working as much, but a body in motion stays in motion. You see a beautiful skyline over there. I'm sitting here getting a little bit of work done. I've been doing a lot of client projects. It seems that since the beginning of quarantine, all these people started to create their own businesses, and I've just been hired to do a lot of graphics and marketing material for them. You know, I was on the verge of being furloughed from my airline, and as of now, my job is safe for now. Don't know if it's safe forever, but I have my job for a little bit longer than I thought I was gonna have it, so that's good. But I'm on reserve this month, but the next 2 months I will not be flying. I took a leave for absence, so just a little a break, a little bit longer than expected, but whatever. I did what I had to do. But yeah, so that's that. It's already like September 5th, and this month I'm on leave, and I'm on leave for October as well. So yeah, 2 months of not working. But outside of that, what else happened in August? Oh, I went to a drive-in concert because, you know, COVID, quarantine, social distancing, we still can't do things the way we used to do. But here in Chicago, there was a drive-in concert, and Lloyd was the headliner, and what were the other artists? I forgot. My crew, y'all got like t-shirts made, and we had these masks. They glowed in the dark. So yeah, no, that was cool. And so now it's September. Now for the month of August, I actually been working on a little project. I actually dropped a series of shirts, and I launched them on my website, TrendeeRocks.com, if you want to get one. So doing a lot of client client work. Yeah, clients are definitely keeping me busy, but those are not like passion projects for me. Those are more like money projects. So I'm doing it just for the money, not because of the passion. I like to do my own creative stuff. So I'm trying to move more towards that direction, do my own stuff. But when the money be calling, I go in and grab it, and it takes away my energy from my own personal projects. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't been vlogging a lot. Yeah, I spend a lot of my creative energy working on other folks' stuff, so I'm trying to like reel it back in so I can work on my own stuff. But yeah, I think that's all I got for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video, and we're gonna try to make this a regular thing, you know, because I know folks been asking. Well, the faithful few that follow me have been asking. So ask and ye shall receive. Okay. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Y'all be good.